What's going on? We're back with another video. I'm gonna go ahead and do like a little short video of a POV drive for you guys. I did get a GoPro, so that should be cool. And to be able to do more content for you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how the car sounds on the inside. And yeah, let's get this going. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and try it. As you can see, it's a mount. It's not like wherever I turn my head, it's gonna be moving. So yeah, I don't really like the whole headband. I last tried it and it kind of gave me a headache because just how tight it is, and then you can actually feel the weight of the GoPro too. But I'm gonna go ahead and do like a little short video so you guys could kind of hear how the car sounds with the mods I have. And yeah, but overall I like the way the inside sounds. It's not like all drony or nothing. It's kind of perfect, even though with a downpipe, front pipe. So like you're kind of just straight if you were to go with the setup. It does burble and pop a lot too as well. But yeah, it's for so far. It does sound really good though. You can't lie. So if you guys do want more content like this of me just doing little POV drives, showing you how the car sounds and just you see me driving, yeah, just let me know. I'll be down to just kind of post and just kind of like showcase with you guys. I just kind of wanted to do this little short video to kind of show you guys how it kind of sounds, and then I also wanted to try out the GoPro, see like just kind of like see how it'll be on my end, try something new and just add it towards the content, you know. But it's just, I don't know if you guys can hear the burbles. Let's see. But every gear you kind of basically shift, you get a lot of burbles. Even when you're just driving regular and you let go of the gas, straight burbles. But it's a cool thing though, especially when you're about to hit the red limiter and shit and you shift into a different gear, you're gonna get always those loud pops and stuff. But yeah, I like the car. As soon as I seen it, I was like, oh damn, these cars are really clean. And I was like, fuck, if I were to get one, I'm gonna just try to build it to what I can. And the way I kind of have it is, I just love it the way it is. But I'm not done for sure. I do have my K tuner on the way. It is coming with a like a 1.5 race map from Variable, so that is gonna add a lot of power and it just configure all my parts. So that's another thing I'm kind of happy for, and it's gonna be a lot more smoother on my end. But as you can hear, this is with the windows up. I had it in video before, and man, that thing gave me a damn headache. I had to get rid of the exhaust. It was quiet, but also it had a lot of drone. So I was doing like some research with thermal, and I was like, oh damn, no drone. And the only people that kind of showcased it was two-step performance. So I was like, fuck it, let me just do it. And then it worked out. If you guys want to see more videos of me driving my car, anything, just let me know. I like cars. I like to record my car. I like to show you guys my car. I like to like whatever I'm gonna add of the remaining parts, I'll go ahead and show you guys, film it so you guys could enjoy it as well. But yeah, just let me know. I'll be down. I always have to go sideways and stuff on these dips because since my car is like really lowered, I don't want to like scrape nothing or anything. But yeah, a little pull right here. Has the turbo noises too, they sound really good. So yeah, that's probably gonna be it for the video. I kind of lowered the windows down so you can hear the car more. And yeah, also the turbo. I do have a high volume intake. I do have parallel inlet pipe, a down pipe, front pipe, of course a catback, and now the K tuner, which I should be getting it this week. And I'll of course film a video of it. And yeah, that's probably gonna be it for the video. If you guys enjoy this type of content, just talking, just driving as well, just let me know. And yeah, let's do one more pull before anything. And yeah. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'm out. Peace.